Hello and welcome back to a 3-minute cardistry tutorial. Today we have a simple combo involving a spinning packet and then flipping a packet onto the top. So to start off, you're going to break off a top packet. You're going to use your middle and thumb on your opposite hand. And this is going to be a larger chunk that you're going to break off. It's a bit more difficult to spin, but you'll need to break off a packet from it later. Reach across with your index to that opposite side, and you're going to pull that side toward your hand, spinning the packet like so. And then you can extend with your index under the deck a little bit to start to spin the other way, and connect that to your ring finger at the bottom for support. And then in your main hand, I have my pinky at the bottom for support, and I'm going to reach across with my thumb to break off a packet like so, opening up the deck. Make sure you have a good grip here because you're going to be holding this for a little bit. And back to the spinning packet, you can release about half of this packet with your thumb. And notice how I have my ring and middle finger for support in my opposite hand. And that's going to allow that packet to break off, fall down, and then roll into the middle of the main deck. Then you're going to spin the packet again, so reach across with your index, grabbing that opposite corner, and pull that in towards your hand. And you can perform the spin sort of in the middle of the deck, and then the two faces are then going to meet like so, so a bit of alignment there. And then once those faces meet, you can then slide that packet back while closing the deck with your thumb. And then notice the packet connects to the base of my palm here, and you can release with all your fingers, leaving your index to push the packet forward and onto the top. And then you can square up the deck, and you're good to go. So I'll do that again quickly here, breaking off a larger packet to start off. You're going to spin that with your index at the same time splitting the main deck in half with your thumb and opening it up. Break off a packet from your spinning packet, roll it onto the deck, spin the packet again, those faces connect, and then you can bring that packet back, sliding it back, and then flipping it forward with your index on top. And that's it. Feel free to grab a deck, give it a shot, or you can always save this video for later.